ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools ever created, yet most people say the same thing. ChatGPT is boring. ChatGPT gives basic answers. ChatGPT is overrated. But here's the truth. ChatGPT is not the problem. The way people use it is. In this video, I'll show you the smart way to use AI tools so you get clear, useful, and powerful results, whether you're learning, working, or creating. Most people open an AI tool, type one short question, get one generic answer, and then leave. That's like asking a human one vague question and expecting a perfect response. AI works best when you guide it. If you don't give context, AI will always give you shallow answers. Let's say you want to understand the topic. You type, "Explain blockchain." The AI replies with something long, technical, and confusing. You read 2 lines, close the app, and think, this is useless. But the problem isn't the AI. The problem is how you asked. Instead of asking vague questions, you need to control the output. Here's a simple smart prompt structure. Explain this topic in very simple language. Use real-life examples. Avoid technical terms. Summarize it in bullet points. Now the AI knows your level, your expectation, the format you want. Suddenly, the answer becomes clear and useful. There's another mistake most people make. They think AI is one question, one answer. But AI is designed for conversation. You can improve the answer step by step. This is called iterative prompting. After the AI answers, you don't stop. You say, make this simpler. Give me a real-life example. Explain it like I'm 12. Turn this into bullet points. Summarize it in 5 lines. Each follow-up makes the result better. You're not starting over, you're refining. First prompt, explain machine learning. Second prompt, make it simple. Third prompt, use a daily life example. Fourth prompt, summarize it in bullet points. In less than a minute, you get a clear explanation better than most articles online. AI doesn't judge you. You can ask unlimited questions. You can refine endlessly. The smartest AI users are not the ones with perfect prompts. They are the ones who keep improving the answer. This method works for beginners, professionals, creators, anyone using AI for learning or work. If you want better results from AI tools, this is how you do it. If this helped you, subscribe for more smart ways to use AI tools. Because AI isn't about asking better questions once. It's about thinking better every time.